This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and 4-wheel drive. Features include a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, a passenger side vanity mirror, traction control, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 72,000 miles. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.